What does data portability mean to me? Being able to log in anywhere with an open ID or equivalent and the ability to control my user data, friends, photos, logins, etc. Well, that's the technical answer. For a non-geek answer, I'd say freedom to select what information I choose to allow a website to know about me and the ability to transport my user data wherever I go, off the web. How do I imagine data portability might change the way in which I use the web? Basically, the freedom to move my own data between websites, choose what a website does and doesn't know about me, and customize my privacy settings from one central location. How would I explain the value of data portability to vendors, those that store data? Vendors need to understand that they have been entrusted with data. When they collect information about users, there is a trust process, and the data does not belong to the vendor. In the past, people have used avatars and false identities, sometimes numerous ones, in order to obfuscate their information and retain some idea that they are invisible and anonymous. There has been a fear of identity theft. Vendors need to encourage openness and do that by demonstrating their ability to allow users to control their data themselves. Content needs to be able to easily extract it. My friends, comments, blog posts, photos, etc. need to be able to be migratable. How would I explain the value of data portability to users, those that create and own the data? Simple. Imagine having to only ever complete one user information profile ever again, and then being able to choose at any website you go just how much information you let them see. Take your information with you from site to site. That's data portability. Ideally, what would I like to see from the data portability project in the next 12 months and 24 months? Well, in the next 12 months I'd like to see APML and other standards become universally accepted and adopted by the major companies, and then a gradual filter down of web mastering tools for social site systems, companies like Acquia who are developing Drupal, LiveJournal, MySpace and WordPress and the like. It should become plug and play. That's the website. From the user perspective, we need vendors who will develop information containers. These need to be light, small applications that will reside on users' PCs or in a flash drive, or even on a mobile phone, and allow a user to hold all their user data. It should contain simple ways of signing up for sites, e.g. entering a site URL into it and then selecting from sample profiles, light, medium, all, or customized, for example. The container will then release the data to that site. Within the next 24 months, we need these tools expanded to include data interfaces and storage. I need the ability to store all my Facebook data, for instance, off the website, in my device or container application, and then when I go to MySpace, be able to push into MySpace my Facebook friends, photos, etc. My name is Tim Miller from SpyGeneral.biz, and I want data portability.